Nestled on a wooded lot within walking distance to Austin Elementary sits 918 Bent Creek Court here in Pecan Grove. Come on in, let me show you around. This beautiful home is nearly 2,100 square feet and features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. The entryway opens into the family room, which features a wood-burning fireplace, plantation shutters, and a patio door leading to the backyard. The separate dining room and breakfast areas open to the kitchen with beautiful Corian countertops and a stainless steel range and microwave oven. The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet and plantation shutters, while the primary bath has Corian countertops, tile floors, and a walk-in shower. The 3 secondary bedrooms all have window blinds and ceiling fans with lights. The spacious backyard has a stamped concrete patio with plenty of room for family barbecues and room for the kids to run. With no neighbors behind, this is an ideal setting for you and your family to call home. Call us today for a private tour of 918 Bent Creek Court in Pecan Grove.